Hello and welcome. This is the last video in this series of INEC tutorial. Okay, so in the previous videos, we already covered a couple of things like how to create an account on INEC portal, and that video will show you exactly how we got to this point. So if you do not know how to get to this point, I recommend you watch that video, how to create an account on INEC portal with your mobile phone. Other couple of videos that we have shown or taught the different features that can be accomplished on the INEC portal, like transferring your polling unit, locating your PVC, updating your record if a mistake was done in your name or your surname. You can always update the record, and a couple of other things like that. You could check around. There are different videos on this INEC series. Okay, so in this particular video, we are trying to show those who have lost their PVC. That is, you have registered before, but you have lost it. Probably it was stolen or you misplaced it, or the information on the PVC has been wiped off because of the delicate nature of the nylon that is on the face of the PVC, okay? Or water entered into the card and damaged the PVC, okay? Whatever it is, as long as your PVC has a fault, you can actually request for another one to be made for you. So how to do that is exactly what we want to cover in this video. Lost or damaged PVC. Just click on request new card. Once you click on request new card, it will take you to this page where you have to put in your information. Now, if you have revalidated your information with this same phone, then your information should automatically come up like this. However, if your information does not come up, what you want to do is just to fill it in manually. Okay, put in your information the way it was when you were revalidating. Again, if you have not reviewed your information, that is the first stage of INEC's process. To work on this particular portal, if you have not reviewed your information, you will not be able to do any other thing, okay? But if you have reviewed your information will automatically come up. But if it doesn't, just go ahead and focus on these ones, those requirements where red asterisks were placed, okay? Those are the most important things you need to fill. The state where you registered or the state where you have moved your PVC, your new polling unit to, okay? Just use the most recent information, your local government, your surname, your name, your year of birth. That is the most important. Other things are not important, okay? And then you can come over down here to choose, I am doing this for myself. It is important you do that. Once you have done that, click on search for record, and then your information will come up automatically. And then you can go ahead and click on continue. It's asking you to declare that you are the one doing this. Click on yes, and then you can head over to request for a new PVC, as you can see. So what you'll be asked to do is, what is the reason for the card replacement request you choose? Is it misplaced? Is it physically damaged? Or is the card not readable on smart card reader? So you can choose whatever category your option falls in. Like for mine, it is physically damaged. So I will choose done. And then I go ahead and upload a supporting document. Already I've done this for myself, okay? So I'll not need to be doing it again. But for you, you can just go ahead. You need to first choose what type of document it is. Is it a court affidavit that you want to use? A supporting document is just anything that can be used to identify you, okay? It can be an ID card, it can be a proof of name change, it can be evidence of address, identity document, other proof, it could be birth certificate, it can be signal, signed letter of request, or any other supporting document at all, okay? It can even be your NEPA bill, anything at all that can be used to identify you or your address where you live. Just go ahead and choose that. Once you have done that, then you want to upload the document. How do you upload? Click on choose file. Once you click on choose file, of course, the document should have been saved on your phone, either by snapping it with your phone camera or by scanning it and sending it to your phone. But the issue is it should be on your phone. Once it's on your phone, try to locate it where it is saved on your phone. Once it is located, you click on it, and it will automatically upload itself into this section, okay? You do that for the second phase as well. You have to upload 2 documents. You can use the same document twice. It doesn't matter. Once you're done with this, just go ahead and click on save and continue. Once you click on save and continue, it automatically helps you to notify INEC that you need a new PVC. Please, this is not for new registration. It is for those who already have registered. They have their card, but their card was damaged or lost, okay? For new registration, you need to go over to the INEC office or your local government to do that, okay? So this is basically how you can request for a new PVC, okay, for those who have already registered via details with INEC. All right. So thank you. I hope this video was helpful.